Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Builder Gold fast. The most effective way to accumulate Builder Gold is by consistently winning battles in the Builder base. Aim for 3-star victories to maximize your loot. Don't forget your daily star bonus, which provides a substantial amount of gold for your first 3 wins. Upgrading your Builder Hall also unlocks higher resource caps and better rewards, making your gold farming more efficient. This focused approach ensures a steady and rapid increase in your Builder Gold reserves. To truly get Builder Gold fast, mastering your attacks is crucial. Develop robust strategies that can consistently earn you 3 stars against diverse base layouts. Prioritize upgrading your most effective troops to their highest possible levels, as this significantly boosts their power. Experiment with different army compositions to find what works best for your playstyle. Always take a moment to scout your opponent's base thoroughly, identifying key defenses and optimal deployment points before launching your assault. This preparation is key to consistent victories. A cornerstone of fast Builder Gold accumulation is the Daily Star bonus. This bonus provides a significant injection of gold and elixir for your first 3 victories each day. It resets approximately every 22 hours, so make sure to claim it consistently. While you can continue battling after earning the bonus, remember there's a daily loot cap. After reaching this cap, the amount of gold you earn from subsequent battles will be drastically reduced, making it less efficient to farm beyond this point. Upgrading your Builder Hall is paramount for long-term gold generation. Each new Builder Hall level unlocks powerful new troops, defenses, and resource buildings, significantly boosting your overall potential. Crucially, higher Builder Hall levels also increase your gold storage capacity, allowing you to accumulate more resources before needing to spend them. Always prioritize upgrading your gold storages to avoid hitting the cap prematurely. Furthermore, investing your gold into offensive structures and troop upgrades first will lead to more successful attacks, and, consequently, more gold.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.